Okay, we are now here once again, but today we're going to discuss about measuring the waves not by using the rectangle, the shape rectangle, but we're going to use the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so for the rule one, for the wave one, basically allowable retracement be that is 61.8. 61.8. So probably that's already 85. That's the highest allowable retracement. And then 50, 38. If it goes to 38, it's a strong trend, really strong trend. That's why it's very short. The trend is short from here to here. It's short. However, if the bounce or the retracement is on 38, probably it could be longer than this. Okay, then 50 is the moderate retracement. 61 is already weak. How much more than with the 85? Okay, probably this is already 85. Okay, so ideally for the wave 3, 1, 2, this is the 2. Okay, this is your 2, this is your 1, this is your 2. Then it goes down here. So we're going to use another Fibonacci. So that's it. Or probably we're going to take away first the first Fibonacci so that you won't be confused. Okay, so it bounced to retrace to 38. So that is the usual retracement for the wave 3 up to wave 4. This is the wave 4. Wave 3, then wave 4 there. This is your wave 4. Okay, then take note, the wave 1 created a triple bottom. It's almost a cup and handle. Okay, so then it went down. Then this one is a sharp. Okay, and then it went down. This one is a sideways. Okay, so the retracement can be a sharp or a sideways like this. Okay, and then it went down. So we're going to see that the wave 5 is much longer than the wave 3, but the wave 3 is most of the time longer than the wave 1. Okay, so there are times that wave 5 can be longer than the wave 3. So that's it. Then yes, and then we're going to measure the wave 4 up to wave 5 down here. Let's find out. Okay, and delete. Okay, we're going to delete that. Okay, so wave 4 up to wave 5. So well, anyway, basically you don't actually measure the only the wave 1 to 2 and then 3 to 4, then wave 5. It's a little bit of, it's only a little concern. Okay, and then we have here, what about the retracement? How much would be the retracement if the market goes up again? Because we are here 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. After the 5, we're going to create the A, then the B, then the C. The B, then the C. Okay, so if we're going to see here A, B, C. So we are now creating a head and shoulder, That's the head and shoulder. Okay, head and shoulder. Now after that, it went down. After the C, it went down, and then it created a channel. So that's it. Created channel. Then yes. So whenever you see a channel tilted above, the edge is tilted up. So you're going to expect that it's really going to go down like that. So then it went up again, then it created the channel again, it went down again. So every time it is tilted on the edge, it really went down, it really goes down. So expect that. So it's quite predictable, the market is quite predictable. And we see here the double top, and then here we have the double bottom. And then if you're going to look at here, we have this head, and this is the head, and this is the shoulder. Head, double bottom, then shoulder, like that. Created a channel, then created a butterfly, harmonic butterfly, and then it went down, it went up. Then after the three touches there above, after the channel, it went down again, it goes down. So, does it have a chance to go up? We don't know. Probably we don't know, or probably we will. Well, anyway, that depends on the measurement of the Fibonacci. If we're going to measure the wave 1 up to the wave 5, let's look at it. Okay, so we have here the wave 1, and then we're going to have the measurement. Okay, so the retracement was 38%. 38%. That's the ideal. 38% is the retracement. Sometimes it could reach to 50, half of this from wave 1 to wave 5. Okay? So we can actually go down. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so actually we reached the 50. Reached the 50 retracement. And if it reaches to the 61 and then it goes up further, then you already have a flat Elliot wave. Okay? It's already a flat Elliot wave. So, if you're going to notice on wave B, wave C, this is where usually the patterns are formed on this area. Similarly, also, if the trend is uptrend, the pattern is formed on the correction side. This is the impulse, and then this is the correction side. The correction creates a channel, creates a ranging market, and then inside that ranging market, there are small channels, and there are harmonic butterfly, and then we could have a double top. Okay, it created a double top. So basically, you can predict the movement of the candles. You can expect that it's going to stay longer on the wave B, wave C. It's going to stay there very longer. It's going to create a ranging market. It's going to create a ranging market, and then afterward, probably if this one is up here, it's going to create a flat. But the fact that it really went down, it's already regressing. This one no longer touch here, and this one no longer touch here. Probably it's really going to go down. Then it's going to make another wave going down. Okay. So, and then if we're going to look at the higher time frame, yes, this is the higher time frame. Yes. So we have here 1, 2, and then it's going down. So basically, on lower time frame also, it's really regressing. Probably it's going to go up here again, or probably here, because we have here a bullish engulfing, then also on the wave. Yes, and then in the latter part we have a rejection. So probably it's going to go up. We don't know. Okay, it's really going to go up. So that is you can actually place a trade here, buy, and then you're going to put your take profit here, or probably here. Okay, so but so far the range are here, the ranging are here. Okay, so this wave 1, 2, and then this is the 3, 1 going down there. This is a wave 3. Okay, so wave 3. But this is also an Elliott wave. We measure that the last portion, it's also an Elliot wave. And basically, if you're going to stop here, to measure here, and then it retraces back here, and then this one up to here, okay, that's the wave 3, okay. So also, this is what I said on the wave B, A, B, C. So after the A, B, C, it creates a channel, it creates a pattern. Lots of patterns here are forming. So, so basically, this is a yes, it's a descending triangle. Descending. Yes, it's actually descending. Okay, so descending triangle. So this one no longer reach up here. No longer reach up here. This one and this one and this one no longer reach up here. It's regressing. It seems like this trend line is pushing down the candle down. Then it really went down further, and then it tried to go up here, and then it went down again, go up, went down again. So basically, the trend is really downtrend. So if we're going to go to the higher time frame, the same thing is true. So it's really downtrend. Okay, so downtrend. The overall trend of the market is downtrend. Okay, so that's how you're going to measure again. So you're going to measure the wave 1, ideally 38, 50, 61. 61 is weak trend, and then the 50 is moderate trend, and then the 38 is a strong trend, depending on the trend, whether uptrend or downtrend. And then on wave 3 up to wave 4, ideally, most of the time what appears is 38. Sometimes it could be 50 and 61.8, 61.8, and it's going to make a shorter wave 5 if it reaches to the 61.8. Okay, so that's the basic rule using the Fibonacci retracement. So I hope that you learned something once again to our lesson today about the measurement of the waves using the Fibonacci retracement, and then also we learned before also the extensions of the wave. So basically, you can apply those knowledge, understanding the different waves, how many waves, the impulse wave, and then we have the correctional wave, ABC, and then inside the impulse we have the correctional, the 2 and 4, and then these are on the left side is your motive wave, and on the right side is your correctional wave, and then in that correctional wave the A is your impulse, and then your B is your correction, and then your C is your impulse. So that's it. So in other words, in a big wave there are small waves. Okay, so that's why here you look at here, this is the wave 1, the wave 2, go down wave 3, this is the wave 3. Okay, so yeah, wave 3, so wave 3 is longer than the wave 1 basically. Okay, so and then the wave 5 is yet to form. Probably the wave 5 is going to reach down here, the wave 5, or here, just here. Okay, so I hope that you learned something once again. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope that you can apply it in your trading strategy, as one of your trading arsenals. Thank you very much.